Lamb lady here with the sound of letter K. New life comes out of eggs, and when it does, some eggs sound like this. That's an egg cracking. New life. A caterpillar is a creeping bug. It doesn't push bullies off its branch in bravery or protect a family. It just eats. It eats and eats and eats. One day, after swelling and changing, it becomes a little tune called a cocoon. It remains like this for days until finally a crack appears. A new creature slowly pushes its way out. It's a butterfly. The caterpillar is now a colorful, beautiful butterfly that can rise above the ground. Jesus came out of his tomb too. He was hurt and all swollen, but he didn't stay that way. He got up, walked out, and rose above the earth. You will too, one day. You will overcome difficulty if you follow him. He says how to follow him in his word he left for us, that we call the Bible. And I have a nature song. Bees make honey. Bees make honey. Caterpillars become butterflies. Bees make honey. Clouds make rain. Clouds make rain. Caterpillars become butterflies and clouds make rain. Leaves become dirt. Leaves become dirt. Caterpillars become butterflies and leaves become dirt. Seeds become plants. Seeds become plants. Caterpillars become butterflies and seeds become plants. Arrivederci.